Let us see the fifth important property, time integration property. So very simple property. Let us see, if x of t's periodic signals exponential Fourier series coefficients are Cn, so then as the name itself indicates, what we have to do, we have to time integrate. That means integral minus infinity to t, right, like this, minus infinity to t, x of tau d tau's exponential Fourier series coefficients are Cn by just divided by Jn omega naught if C0 is equal to 0. We have to write like this, because if you substitute 0 here, it will become infinity. So therefore, if C0 is equal to 0, if you have to write like this, so that means if x of t's exponential Fourier series coefficients are Cn, if you integrate x of t, what happens to its Fourier series coefficients? Its Fourier series coefficients just will become Cn by Jn omega naught. So very simple proof. Let us prove this. Proof the exponential Fourier series of periodic signal x of t is, so what is the formula? Very simple formula. X of t is equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity Cn into e power j n omega naught t. So in the interval t0 less than t0 plus 2 pi by omega naught. So let us integrate on both sides with respect to t. So integrate on both sides with respect to t, just like in the previous one we have differentiated. Just integrate on both sides with respect to t. Left side I am writing integral minus infinity to t x of tau d tau. So that is, we are writing summation, keep like this, sum minus infinity to infinity Cn. Just integrate this term, so that is integral minus infinity to t. So just replace t by tau d tau. So let us put all this in one bracket. So let us write the answer for this. That will be the answer. So minus infinity to infinity, summation minus infinity to infinity. So what is the integration of this? Cn by Jn omega naught. You can clearly check that. So what is the answer? E power j n omega naught tau. Substitute the limits minus infinity to t. Because e power minus j n omega naught t integration is e power minus j n omega naught tau by j n omega naught. So that is what we have written here. So therefore just substitute. So therefore summation, so n is equal to minus infinity to infinity Cn by, so j n omega naught. So if you substitute the upper limit, e power j n omega naught t. If you substitute tau in place of tau minus infinity, this term is 0. So this is, what is the left side? Integral minus infinity to t x of tau d tau. Summation is like this. So you can clearly check that. If x of t's exponential Fourier series coefficients are Cn, you can clearly check that. If x of t's exponential Fourier series coefficients are Cn, so then the x of integration of x of tau d tau's exponential Fourier series coefficients are, that means if you integrate x of t, so what we have to write? Integral minus infinity to t x of tau d tau's exponential Fourier series coefficients. The integration of x of t's exponential Fourier series coefficients are Cn by j n omega naught. What we have to write here? If C0 is equal to 0. So this is the proof for this time integration property. Thank you.